guys, it's Diera. I'm back with another video, and today we're vlogging. I got my scarf on, child. Reckless intro. We're getting a test because your girl was traveling to New York and it's launch week, so I just want to make sure I'm good and everything's gravy before we get going. So yeah, let's do this, shall we? Do we look decent, child? Do we look decent? That is the question.
What you're going to do is grab the sheet of paper together without touching the blue toe. Then swap in the middle, so be careful. Pull it in.
I'm putting way too much pressure.
Alright, so what you're going to do is peel open the swab like a band-aid. Yeah, just peel it halfway. And then pick up the swab, and you're going to make big circles in one nostril for 15 seconds. And you're going to touch the other side and do it again.
Y'all, child, I've done this so many times, I'll be crying. Thank you. Y'all, we did it. Ooh. Oh, do y'all see my tears? I need to pull over really quick. Ooh. I can't. Hey guys, we're back home post test, and I am working on the new graphics for email. So if you didn't know, I use Shopify for my website, but they have email templates that are very disgusting. They're not very cute. So I'm here creating my own graphics. How cute is this? So if y'all get my emails, definitely check them. I've been debating between this one and this one. I think I'm gonna go with this, even though this is super cute. Yeah, you guys check your emails. Yeah, I just wanted to hop on and let you guys know your girl is at work, okay? I do all of this stuff on my own, and it's not easy, you know. And as a business owner, you also have to like figure out what to pay yourself. Like, what is my time worth, you know? So it's kind of tricky. I didn't even pay myself from the first launch of the journals. I literally just left all the money in my business account. So this go round, of course, portion of the proceeds is going to donations, so I'm like geeked about that. I'm more excited about giving in this season. I feel like it's a season of release for me and just like shedding old layers and pouring back into others, and so this feels so good. It feels so good. You guys, look who's negative. Not that y'all was gonna come for me anyway. Y'all probably don't even care. Anyway, we're negative, and that makes me feel so good. So now I feel more comfortable going into packaging and doing all that stuff. But you guys, the email came out so cute. Okay, I get excited about these things because when you're a small business owner and you don't really have the budget to like hire people to do things like this, you get very resourceful and creative. So look at my new email. It is colorful and cute, and this is what it looks like from mobile. I like emails that get to the point, but that are aesthetically pleasing, that capture your eye. And yeah, I still have more products launching, so I'll be sending out another email later this week. So yay! Alright, so now that the email's done, now that we got our negative results, we're going to eat, because I haven't ate today. It's noon. And then if I hop into packaging today, I will bring you guys along. And if not, we'll pick up tomorrow. What's up, guys? Happy, what day is it? Thursday. I took a little day off yesterday because I needed a mental health break, because I trust that my body is always speaking, and she said relax. So that's what we did yesterday. But I wanted to show you guys, I've been working on the tags, and for some reason my printer keeps printing yellow when it's supposed to be beige. So we don't like that. So what I did is I went ahead and changed it to black and white, because you gotta roll with the punches. And as you can see, I've done many tests. So we finally got it, and I did a test run on cardstock. So let me show you. Ooh. So this is the thickness of the paper. Y'all probably can't even see that, but also let me show you this. I have a cute little idea of putting these little tassels onto the top of the little tag. I don't know if that's doing too much. I'm a sucker for details. I just really appreciate when my packages are, you know, made with love. And so that's what I'm here trying to do. I also got a tag gun so that I can tag these onto the tees. And then I got a mini hole punch. Can y'all see that? So it makes a really, really tiny hole at the top. But yeah, let me cut these and then I will show you guys what everything looks like. Hopefully it comes out cute. I don't know, but we're gonna try. Anyway, these are the jet tags that I'm gonna include with the purchase. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this for first day purchases only or if I want to do it for every purchase. But anyway, it looks super cute. I'm definitely going to modify this one more time, probably make it a little bigger, but in efforts of saving my sanity, I'm going to work on that a little bit later, and we're going to hop on into trying to fold these t-shirts. So let's go. I put on some clothes, y'all. Wildly written, gang gang. So I'm going to show you guys all of the materials that I have, and I got these all from Amazon. This is a t-shirt folder. I bought 2 just in case someone from my family wants to help me. But just in case they don't, I have an extra one. Let me open it. I've never used these before, so I have no idea how things work. But I'm going to open it up so you guys can see it. I saw the little demo on Amazon. Looked easy enough. Once I actually start doing the t-shirts, I'm probably going to play some music so I can just zen out and vibe, because launches can be a little bit stressful, okay? Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm assuming you just lay the t-shirt down and go left or right, left, and then flip up the bottom. So probably shaking the table, but got that. Alright y'all, so as you can see, the folding is very meticulous. Not mundane. What I'm trying to get at is that it's the same old thing. I'm about to just fold all these t-shirts, so I will show you guys the end results instead of having you walk through 3 minutes in your time of footage of me folding shirts with my sister. So we'll check in later. Hello beautiful people, it's the next day and I didn't come back on yesterday because after folding all these t-shirts we were worn out, but here they are. All the black tees are folded up and it's time to make tags. So I printed off all the tags and it's time to actually I have to print the back side and then we're going to get to work on that, so stay tuned. Hello guys, we're back finally and it is time to cut thank you cards. I officially decided on the design for the thank you cards and I'm packing them with the freebies. Oh, they're so cute! I'm literally obsessed with how creative I can get. Yeah, thank you God for shining down on you, girl. So let's just hop into chopping these up. I printed about 80. I'm definitely gonna have at least another 80 to go. So let's work, baby. Let's work. Alright guys, so I finished cutting the tags. Well, I started cutting the tags. I'm almost finished. I have 2 full sheets and then these left. It's giving me raffle ticket vibes, but look how adorable the care instructions. I'm just like, I need to buy a t-shirt. I need to order and mail myself a whole package because these are gonna be so freaking cute. So I have my little pile stacking up in the corner. Cannot wait to put these all together. So I'm gonna finish this and then it's time to really get going on packaging. I finished cutting so many thank you cards and so many hang tags, and so right now my sister is practicing putting them on the t-shirts, and I am going to create the thank you cards and freebies. And so I've been back and forth about putting the tassels on because literally it takes a lot because I don't have the proper size hole punch. I have all the jet tags here, not all of them, but the ones I'm going to put together today. I have my miniature hole punch, I have my cello bags, and I have my string of tassels. So let's go ahead and give it a run for its money, and if it takes me too long then I'm gonna nix the tassels, but if not, we'll get it going and hopefully I can at least get 50 done today. Handmade thank you cards take a lot of work, but they just give off so much love and care, and I feel like when I open up a package it matters to me. Like, I feel the energy, and so I just wanted people to feel loved. So the first 100 purchases will get a cute little jet tag, and then I finished adding the tassels on as you guys saw me working on. So yeah, I'm just putting these together. My sister is tagging the tees, and it's coming together. I cannot believe the launch is in 2 days. I can believe it, but like, this is my second launch for my business. Do you know how many businesses never recover, especially with all the time I took in between launches? So I'm just putting positive vibes into the atmosphere, trusting that these shirts speak for themselves, and I'm excited for all the blessings and all the reach. I think these shirts are marketable to a wide audience, and that they're going to be impactful to different communities, and I'm so excited to actually donate a portion of the proceeds because that matters to me so much. So I already started looking up organizations that I want to support, and so I'll be doing updates on Instagram. So if you guys aren't following wildly.written on Instagram, definitely go follow, and then I'll be sending email updates too. So sign up for the newsletter on wildlywritten.com. And yeah, by the time you guys see this, I've launched too. So go ahead and shop wildlywritten.com and stay tuned for new drops, because the goal is to be way more consistent this go around. So thank you in advance for all the support, guys. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and then I'll show you guys what it's looking like with the t-shirt committee over there, because my little sis is working really hard. So I love y'all, and I'll check in a little bit later once we're a little farther along. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am such a bad vlogger today. I have done so much work today. Look at this. I totally should have brought you guys along, and I just got so busy focusing because today is the last day before the launch. It's 10 p.m. and my mom and sis went to go get me some food because they're the best. But my friend Mayat came over today. Thank you, Mayat, if you're watching this, and helped me organize everything. So this is only the black t-shirt. So everything is organized and ready to ship as soon as I get the orders and stuff in. And then we got some pre-packaged freebies, which are the jet tags. And then we got some white tees all folded up. I'm gonna make them look a little extra special once we put the tags on. And then also we have the cello bags. Busy day, but all for good reason. And I'm giving away 100 free jet tags, and they're so freaking cute. Like, this would make me happy if I received a cute little jet tag. So you can put this on your keys, you can put this on your luggage, you can put this on your bag. And I want it to just be a reminder that your story matters. Your story is wildly written before the beginning of time. And I also want it to be a reminder to do big good. This is a lifestyle, people. We're doing big good. So currently I'm on the computer editing my website and making sure all the pictures look crispy. I also created the new email for tomorrow, so let me show you guys that. Oh my god, that was my first launch email. You guys, look at how far we've come. This is what we look like now. Praise God for growth, okay? Looks amazing. And that'll be going out tomorrow at 2 p.m. And yeah, it looks so good. So that's done. I've sent myself some tests to make sure it looks good. This is the website. And I just went in and made all these photos crispy because they used to have a big block around them. And if you're curious about how I got them that white, I used PicMonkey. And I must let you guys know this. Any launch will come with its own set of technical difficulties. So today my ring light was tripping and I was trying to get overhead product shots, and so thank God it started working again. Also, my freaking laptop charger is so rigged right now because I need it to at least last me until Monday. I ordered a new one, but this one is shot. So also I need to order more packaging, and I ended up freaking sealing all of these with no thank you cards in there. So now I'm gonna have to either reopen them or just put a thank you card inside with it. And I'm really torn because once these are sealed, like, they're sealed, and I don't want people to think that their packages have been opened, you know what I mean? But I'll just figure that out as I go. Maybe I'll put a little piece of tape and tape it on the front. I don't know. I just don't want it to look janky. I want it to look thoughtful. And yeah, so I'm excited. I wanted to create a new landing page for my business. Not a landing page. I wanted to create a new confirmation page. Like when you check out, I wanted to make it look nice and special, but I might not have the time to do that today, even though it does make a difference. So there's so many other things I want to do. I want to add SMS features. I want to be able to text people when there's a new launch, because there will be a new launch probably end of this month or early next month. And so I just want to stay on top of things. I want to stay on top, but this is exciting. It was a good day. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at wildly.written, which is my business page, for just all the good vibes. And then check out my personal Instagram, wildlydiera, if you guys are interested in keeping up with me. But I'm going to go ahead and end this because I'm going to start a new vlog probably tomorrow for launch day. We're launching tomorrow. Oh, I'm so geeked. All right, y'all. I love you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions about small business tips or things you want to know, definitely leave them in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer them or create a video for you guys. So again, I love you. Enjoy your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.